Hello, everybody. I don't know if you can hear this wind noise and people and rain and stuff like that. But anyway, I wanted to jump on because over the past few weeks, I've been testing stuff that I've received from Temu. Last week, I think I published on ZDNet. Sort of my findings for this. I bought power banks, I bought chargers, I bought universal adapters, I bought some cables, I bought something else as well, which I forgot what it was, but it doesn't really matter. Um, Everything that I bought was listed as a bestseller. Now, I don't know Temu well enough to know whether everything has a bestseller tag on it, whether actually these are bestsellers in a lot of people's houses or not. It was all junk. Bottom line, it was all junk. The cable was probably the best thing, and that wasn't particularly good. The travel adapter came apart real easy. Didn't have the sort of safety features I'd expect on it. All the adapters had really poor power output on them, and they just sort of stopped working once you applied much more than about 5 amp of load to them. But the worst part was a power bank. The power bank I received, I ordered a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. The box said, and the packaging said it was a 20,000 milliamp power bank. I tested it, it was probably about 6.5, 7,000 milliamp hour. So that's typical. But it was like a one time working one anyway, because I pressed the button when I got it. It was working, then it stopped working because, as I later found out, the wire had fallen off the battery. But the worst part of it isn't the wire falling off. That was probably the best thing that happened. It was things like the battery. Now, they put these lighter batteries into things and then put a bit of steel in there to make it feel heavy and feel like you've got something quality. But what's worse than that is this battery wasn't new when it was put into wasn't even new when it was put into the power bank. This was salvaged out of something else because you had this adhesive on one side and then adhesive on the other side. Yeah. And the battery was also showing some signs of damage to the corners, and it had been mangled in. Um, the tabs had residue of like something else had been attached to these, and I know this because in order to save time, money, they hadn't even soldered the wires onto these. They just folded them over, hence why one fell off. Crud. I mean, save your money. If you're thinking of buying something from like electronics on Temu, I'd say don't do it. Go on Amazon, find something of decent brand. If you know somebody who has got one, I don't know, maybe buy them a better one. I did not find anything here that was any good, and but things like this particularly worry me a lot because this takes it away from being just a bad product into something that's particularly sort of dangerous. And this thing here could give you a problem. So you know, save your money, encourage other people to buy kind of good stuff, and stay safe, people. See ya.